I know it's a little late, but I love watching people's videos of what they got for Christmas, so I figured I would show you what I got. We'll start off with kitchen items because I absolutely love kitchen items. So my mom got me this cute little whisk from Magnolia, which was so sweet and perfect because I love baking and our whisk was so old, so I definitely needed a replacement. She also got me these gold measuring spoons, which are so pretty. They're also from Magnolia, and they even have a really small size, the 1/8 teaspoon, which I feel like is so rare, so I am so excited to use these. And these gorgeous stoneware salt and pepper shakers, I can't wait to put them on our counter. Next, I got a lot of plushies, so I'll go with those. First, this cute little Harry Potter that my mom made. She loves making little amigurumi and crocheting them, and I thought this was so sweet. It even has a little scar and glasses, his little scarf, his little bow tie. I love all the little details, his vest. And she even made me a little head wig to go with him. It's so sweet. Then my sister got me this cute little croissant, and my sister-in-law got me this Pachaco. Pachaco was my favorite Sanrio character growing up, so it's so cute. And this little Ugg boot is so precious. This is actually not for me, it's for Loki, but I figured I should count it. And then this is technically not a plushie, but we'll count it in this section. It's a little heart pillow, and it has a bag inside which you can warm up in the microwave, so you can use it as a little heating pad. Now, a couple of clothing pieces. Y'all know we love thrifting things for each other, so my sister and my mom thrifted me this really pretty knit sweater. I love the gray color. I'm even wearing it right now, so I thought this would be so cute. And then my mom got me this other knit sweater. I just love the chunky knit detail that it has. It's gonna be perfect now for the winter time. Now, the most controversial item is this purse. So I specifically put it on my Christmas wish list, and my mom bought it for me. My sister and my husband absolutely hate it. They're like, it's a dead animal, but I don't know why. I absolutely love it. So yep, it is what it is. And this little Sherpa makeup bag my mom actually made for me, and she put this little keychain from Peru on it, which I thought was so cute, but I can't wait to use it in my upcoming trips. Just a couple more things left. Our friends got us this Chamberlain coffee to try and a little gift set with a bunch of other goodies. My parents got me the AirPods, which I've been asking for like the last 3 years, so I'm happy that I finally got them. Also, this charger for my phone, which as a content creator, I don't know how I didn't have one sooner. My phone is constantly running out of battery, so this is gonna come in handy. I also got these cute little combs. I specifically wanted them so that I can brush my hair when it's wet, but I love how flat they are, so they would also be perfect for travel. And my mom thrifted this cute little basket, and she made me a little sewing kit, so I'm super excited. I actually barely know how to sew, so I definitely need to learn. And my sister got me this cute little frame with a picture of Loki in it, which I absolutely love. I think I'm going to put it on my nightstand. And last but not least, my mom got me this cute little speaker that looks like a record player. It's so stinking cute. But that's everything.